Hello guys, today we are going to show you our version of chicken adobo with Poivre Vert. Okay, I'm sure everyone is asking what is Poivre Vert? Well, basically Poivre Vert is a French word for fresh green peppercorn. So without further ado, let's do it! Here are the ingredients. First, we will be needing some potatoes and then light soy sauce and dark soy sauce, garlic, onion, vinegar, the poivre vert, and the crushed pepper, cooking oil, and of course our chicken and some water. First, we are going to fry the potatoes. Put the potatoes. Okay. Just turn them when they become golden brown. So we have to make sure that all the sides of the potato are cooked or done well. I can hear it. Sounds good. So you have to make sure that the potato is golden brown. This adds to the flavor of the adobo. And then we are going to saute the garlic. And we have to make it golden brown. And then we will add the onion. You can use white onion or red onion. Whichever you prefer. And you know that your onion is ready and it's becoming like transparent. And we will add the chicken. Looks smooth. Soy sauce, that's the light sauce. And then the dark sauce. And then put in the vinegar. Pepper, ground pepper. And the magical poivre vert. That's the Poivre Vert. They are like caviars. I just love the taste of Poivre Vert. Bursts in your mouth when you eat them, and the flavor is really good. Give them a turn and put some water and then simmer it for about 20 minutes. Keep simmering until you have to let the water evaporate until it's kind of dried up. And just turn them once in a while. Voila. And then we will add the bay leaf. One bay leaf is enough. And then we can add in the potatoes. Looks good. And that's about it. And there you go. That's our finished product of adobo with Poivre Vert. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to click subscribe for more videos to come, and hit the like and the notification bell. See you next time. Bye.